guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a makeup tutorial. Super easy makeup tutorial, by the way. Barely put anything on. Feel super put together. Feel glowy. Feel bronzed. I'm ready to take on the day. Wow, what was this? I'm gonna show you how white I was before I put on this tanning product. Here we go. Let's just roll into it. So Coco&eve, this is their Sunny Honey Bali Bronzing Foam. Dark color. So right here, I just took a shower, I exfoliated, I shaved my legs, we're good to go. So you put 2 pumps on your mitt, super easy, and then just rub away. But yeah, and then they give you a kabuki brush, man. So this kabuki brush I actually used on my face. I thought it was a great application to just bronze my face, use that contour so I don't have to do like makeup in the future. Super easy 5-minute makeups, we're out the door. So this is actually my first time trying this, bronzing the face, and I didn't show this on camera, but I also put some on my eyelids. I took like a makeup brush and I put some on my eyelids. You can put this on for 2 hours and then wash it off, or you could leave it on for 6, or you could just go to sleep and then take a shower in the morning. That's what I'm gonna do, because I'm lazy. Yesterday, I woke up, I kind of was in a rush, took a shower to wash everything off. Obviously did my makeup and then kind of went out the door. So today I have time to show you what this looks like. In person, this looks a lot darker. Yeah, I feel like it looks very bronzy, very glowy. There's like no streaks. And you guys saw like that pretty big line that I did on my forehead, but like nothing on my arms. I did miss this spot on my hand, so we'll just cover that up. But looks, see, you can see now. You can see now. Okay. Anyways, looks really even everywhere. Absolutely loved the application of it. I've tried so many tanning products. I've had favorites over the years. I really like to tan in the beginning of spring so that when I start to gradually get my tan in the summertime, so I like to kind of get like a pre-tan on my skin before I actually put my bathing suit on. It just makes me feel more confident. And then when I do get to this, you know, stage of tan at the end of summer, then I feel like I've just been the same color the whole season. One thing that I do like about this one that is very different from any other tanning agent or product I've used is it doesn't smell, you know, when you know that smell, like when you, it smells so good. It's like mango, guava. It's very citrusy, very fruity. It actually smells really good. If I could like have a hair product that had this smell in it, that would be fantastic. But anyways, I got the dark color. I didn't want ultra dark, but I wanted to see a change. I find that medium tones on me, because I have a yellow undertone of skin, doesn't really do much. So the dark I thought would be a gradual color change rather than like drastic. But I was kind of curious about the face, so I didn't get like the face drops. I know that they have them. I didn't use those, but what I did was I just did the face stuff, and I took a little eyeshadow brush and I put some on my eyelids after I was done applying. I didn't film that, but I did that, and I think it looks really cool. So in today's video, I'm just gonna do like a really basic no makeup look. I'm not gonna use foundation. I don't think that I need it with this base tan. If you guys are wanting a discount code, I have 10% discount code with code CHLOEB. You can get that at checkout. I'll put the link down below, as well as the discount code if you forget. So happy shopping. Before we get started, I know my eyebrows are already done. I did those off camera, but they stay on for a long time, and I use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. I have a tutorial on how to do my brows down below. So what I think I'm gonna do for here is I'm gonna add a little bit of Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. This is the color 14.0. It is light tan. So I'm gonna just add a little dot here, here, and there. This actually might be too much. We'll see. And I already did add lotion. I used this CeraVe AM facial lotion. It has sunscreen in it. I love that my eyes already look like they have eyeshadow on them. I think that was the most exciting thing. I have really veiny eyelids, and they're kind of all over the place with the coloring. So I think that that adds a really easy base to start with, and Don't really have to deal with anything else. Okay, so I'm gonna set this. This is the Lejour translucent powder. I buy it off of Amazon. I don't even know if like the company sells anywhere else other than Amazon, but it was like a fluke thing that I found one time, and ever since then I've been using it, and I've tried many other setting powders and I just like this one the best. So I don't let it set. I just kind of set it on there and then wipe it right off. And then we're gonna take the butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. This is the color Deep Bronzer. I'm using this one just because I already do have that glow going on. So I'm just gonna even it out just a little bit. But man, I don't need much to make everything pop. Obviously my forehead is good to go. Add some on the bridge of the nose. I might have added too much up here. I'm just gonna wipe that off. There we go. We look great. No foundation. It looks fantastic. Just a little bit of concealer goes a long way. I don't know, whenever I have like that bronzy glow, I just feel a little bit more confident about myself with no makeup on. I think that everything kind of works better. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit, I put the butter bronzer on just a tiny bit of makeup, eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to do that. Nothing other than to just add a tiny bit of shimmer, because this has the slightest bit of shimmer in it, and I really like that. So I can't live without eyeliner. I can, but I prefer not to. I really like doing the tiny wing on the outside. It's one of my favorite things that I do about my makeup look. I don't know. We all have our preferences, right? So this is the NYX Liquid Matte eyeliner. This is not waterproof. I don't think it is waterproof, but it definitely feels waterproof. It doesn't smear. It kind of just like flakes off. It's great. I love this. I have a really in-depth tutorial on how to do my eyeliner in another video, so I'll link that down below as well, because I kind of have to get close to a mirror and put my elbow down on a table for this. That's it. I just do a little flick on the outside. It's weird, I know, but I have hooded eyes, and this just works to open them up a little bit. All right, we're done. I got Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. This stuff was like viral on TikTok. It was sold out like in all stores in store. So I ordered it on Ulta, got it in. I've used it a couple times. It's not my favorite, but it works. I kind of put it underneath something else and then put other mascara on top of it. I like layering mascara. I think that that's my trick of getting my lashes looking really long and voluminous, is I use 2 different mascaras to achieve that look. All right, so Sky High. I'm a blinker when I put on mascara. I know everybody does it different. Some people do this. No, I just blink, 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 blink. And then we're good to go. The one thing that I don't like about this mascara is the wand. The wand is super bendy. So I feel like when I'm trying to get it in my eyelashes, it's just moving, and I don't like that part about it. All right, we're gonna set with Morphe setting spray. I am new to this product, guys. My niece actually told me about it, and she was like, you have to try that continuous setting spray. She's like, it's an even application. I was like, okay. My niece is 15, so it's good. It's good, I like it. There we go, done. I look fresh, I look awake, and I look like I have barely any makeup on. I mean, really, in all reality, I have concealer, a little bit of fake bronzer, blush, and eyeliner and mascara. And obviously my eyebrows are done, but those are always done. But this is great. It's so easy, and I feel so put together. And usually I do like the whole eyeshadow thing, and I didn't do it this time. That's a good trick. That's a real good trick. Tanning stuff on your eyelids. Who knew? Who knew? I feel great. I feel put together. This is a really simple, easy look. You should try it at home. Let me know. Let me know how this works for you. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.